Good morning, my dear children. Today in this session we will start with English first language unit 4. Name of the lesson is Let's Travel. You can see over the picture is given of the car and they are going for a picnic, travel. Now in this chapter Gujarat's temples, famous places are given, that where you can travel, what are the things, places to be seen in Gujarat. It is given in the detail so that you will come to know that how many places are there in Gujarat for tour. Gujarat is the westernmost state of India. We all are living in state Gujarat. You should know what are the specialities of our state. It is a part of it projecting out into the Arabian Sea. Gujarat can be divided into 3 geographical regions. Eastern region, that is the major cities of Ahmedabad, Surat and Vadodara. Saurashtra region between Gulf of Cambay, Gulf of Kutch, the northern region of Kutch, which is salty desert. This is the most industrialized state in the country and contributes about 1/5 of the total industrial output of India. It does particularly well in textiles and electronics and has the largest petrochemical complex in India. Which state, children? Gujarat. We are talking about Gujarat. Though Gandhinagar is the capital of the state, Ahmedabad, its former capital, is commercially and historically the most important city, containing Gujarat's only international airport. Only one international airport is there, and that is also in Ahmedabad. Surat is a center of diamond polishing and trade, and Vadodara is an erstwhile princely state. Now you can see over here Sidi Sayed Jali picture is given and Somnath temple is given. Now let's see. Somnath temple is located at Veraval port, Prabhas Patan in Saurashtra, Gujarat. Somnath means the protector of the moon god. The temple's shikhar or main spire is 150 feet in height. It has a 27-foot tall flag pole at the top. Somnath temple is known as the Shrine Eternal, having been destroyed many times by Islamic kings and rulers. On the coast of Gujarat are some beaches, including the old part town of Mandvi. But the famous coastal sports are the temples of Somnath and Dwarka. You can see over here the picture is given of Rani Ki Vav, and here this is Dwarka's seashore is given. The ancient temple at Somnath was repeatedly plundered, and the present structure dates to 1950s, but it carries ancient sanctity for Hindu devotees. The popular 16th century temple at Dwarka is devoted to Lord Krishna and associated with Mirabai. The town of Palitana is famous for its more than 800 Jain temples, some of them as the old as the 11th century. At Lothal you can see are the ruins of ancient port of the Indus Valley civilization dating from 2400 BC. The Sasan Gir National Park in Gujarat is the only place where the Asiatic lion still survives. The Wild Ass Sanctuary in the Little Run of Kutch is a World Heritage Site. Here the poem for a friend away on a trip poetess has written. Name of the poetess is Su Shi, China. I will read the poem and then I will explain you. When will the moon be clear and bright? With a cup of nectar in my hand, I ask the blue sky, when would it be up in the heaven? For night to night, O moon, how I wish to get closer to you, riding on the breeze. Yet I fear your crystal and jade statue, as much too high and cold. So let me just dance here with my moonlight shadow round my red mansion till you shine on my silk pillow. Sleepless but bearing not regrets, though distant away we look at the same moon, and in that sense we have never parted. By this poem, what does the poetess mean to say is, she craves for the moon rising above and asks the blue sky when the moon would be high in the sky that night, that she can enjoy it in its full bright form. Addressing directly to the moon, the poetess says that she wants to get close to the moon riding on the breeze. But on the other hand, the poetess is afraid of reaching there because she feels that the castle of the moon is too high and it will be too cold for her to bear, in the second paragraph. Finally, the poetess drops the idea of going closer to the moon but prefers to dance here on the earth with her moonlight shadow. In the third paragraph, poetess in her large house and it is night time. She says that moonlight has as if surrounded her house and she is in her bed. The rays of the moon are shining on her pillow. She is so happy and enjoying the moonlight that she spends a sleepless night, but she has no regrets for it as she enjoys the cool, bright, soothing moonlight. Again, she says that even if the moon is at a long distance from the earth, last two lines, distance from the earth, the people on the earth get fascinated with the presence of the moon and feel that they have never parted from the moon. That is, they are so close to the moon. The poetess is describing the tour on the moon as if she wants to go and she is on the moon.